I have to go to I have to go to work. Don't you jump at me. Or do you have an itch? Poor puppy. Look at the floors. He doesn't care. Jethro, you have to go night-night. Mommy has to go to work. You hear me? Don't cry. Don't cry. I have to go to work. Oh, you're so dramatic. You sound like a German Shepherd. He's gonna play in the water.